Okay, so let's move to the next portion that is very important for students, that is simultaneous equations and quadratic equations and the calculate functions. Whenever you get this question in which you have to make the graph and you need the coordinates and all that thing. So let's start this. So first of all, we have simultaneous equations. To solve simultaneous equation, what you need to do is you have to go to the equation menu. I will press menu button, and then in equation menu, when you scroll down, you can see the menu name is written here, base and so on. So equation menu is this one, A. You can directly press A, or you can scroll down and press equal. So now it's asking simultaneous equations or polynomials. So simultaneous equations, so I will press 1 for it. And now it's asking number of unknowns. So in this question we have two unknowns, x and y. This is the past paper question of October November 2012. So we have two unknowns, x and y. So I will press 2. Now you can see that it is same as the question displayed in the question paper. So I will press 3 and enter, or equal, then 4 equal, 17 and then equal. Now it will move to the second equation. Now 2, -5 and 19. As I press enter, I will get the x value, which is 7, and again pressing equal, I will get y value, which is -1.